Alright guys, so today we're back. We are flocking the dash. No, I'm not. I'm sorry. We're supposed to be flocking the dash, okay? I apologize. I had to take care of some other things. So we're gonna take care of some fog lights. We're gonna take care of a tire replacement, and we're gonna roll some fenders or shave some fenders, and we'll get through it. But hey, at the end of it, I'll be able to move the Lexus and put the dash over here so I can flock it. So flock it, man. Let's just get to work. And I came across some fog lights because mine were bad. Not bad. I blew out a bulb, right? And then I went to go change the bulb, and then I realized that when I went to change the bulb, that I had a crack in my lens. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but yeah. And so I popped it off. So it takes these two little screws, and you pry it out this way, and then you pull it out because it's got these two. It's got this tab back here. Okay. These things are all like nicked up, but they are what they are. They're down on the ground. They're a foot from the ground. Beat up. I could wax them, maybe make them look a little shinier, and they did. But after a day of curing, the cleared ones looked way better. That being said, the worry was I didn't want them a yellow over a long period of time, but I'm like, you know what, I could just sand that shit off, or even use some kind of like aircraft remover or something, paint thinner or whatever, and just take it off, but and polish it down the way I did. So now that it's already got some roughness to it, now that I've peeled off some of that wax, I'm just using a glass cleaner. Then we're just gonna lay a shit ton of clear on it. Can't help it. I am gonna try to get just a little bit of pressure on this. Try to see if I can't get a profile on there to make sure that the clear sticks well. So there was some dirt. Alright, so I laid it super heavy. It's laying down. And it'll settle some. You can already tell that it's looking better. But I do see some orange peel, which is why I'm going to take it back with some 1500, maybe even 1000 grit. So we'll see. Alright, so this stuff says it dries like super fast, and I tell you guys, like within 10 minutes it says it dries to the touch. This has been like 5. It's not even tacky. This one is slightly tacky. Dog fighting lizards. This one's not. And that one, by the time I touched it again, it was almost dry. So, this acrylic, multi-purpose coating acrylic enamel. Interior, exterior. I don't know. I know it's not the best clear, guys. I have some 2K clear that I've thought about using, but I'm going to use that for the hood. So, and if this doesn't come out, I'm going to bring these right next to the hood and pretend it's part of the hood and do these two. So, and that's just if it doesn't turn out well. And I think this will turn out. I'm just going to take it back, like I said, with some 1500 grit. Simba! Simba! Stop digging. Get out of there. Simba. Got one dog looking for lizards and one dog. Look at these dogs. Scrappy, what are you doing? What's Simba doing? Go get Simba. Go get Simba. The other one's over there digging in the dirt. Simba. Simba. Come here. What are you doing, bro? Get out of there. Yeah. Come on, dude. Get over here. What are you, crazy? It's hot almost. Yeah, you're panting. Come on, dude. You too, dog. Come on. Crazy ass. Wonder where they get it from. It's not me. I'm not crazy. Well, maybe a little crazy. Alright, guys. So, I went to town on it too aggressively, and you can see where there's like a line of clear. So this is sanded. I hit it with the 220, way too damn aggressive. Then I hit it with an 800, still a little too aggressive, but it's all foggy now. Let's see how it goes when I hit it with some paint. All right. Let's see here. All right, looking a little better. All right, they're looking better. What do you guys think? All right. What I would recommend is a 2K clear. And this is just after the second hit, okay? So I am going to lay another fat layer on it. And I just laid on the second clear. Yeah, so I got to give it a couple more minutes to settle. So long story short, I tried wax. It made it look a little better, but after clearing the first one, the first day it didn't look good. The next day it looked a lot better. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try it. So what I did was I laid extremely heavy clear, like 2, 3, maybe even 4 coats of really heavy clear to try to fill in all the little cracks and chips that were taken out of the fog light. The lights came up, or I had a chip fog lights, which actually looks a lot better now. You're wondering why the car is so damn low? Oh, that's because it's jacked up. Because today I got new tires for the Lexus, and they don't fit as well. I'm gonna have to shave down the a little bit, just a little bit. I mean, we're talking like credit card thickness, guys, on like 2 little areas that I didn't get as good as I should have. Now, Marlon, my other brother, came down and his LS430, we shaved and grinded down his cut and grinded and rolled his fenders, and we did a much better job than we did on this car. But now that I have the better tools, which is just going to be a grinder, Milwaukee, and a flapper disc grinder, and a cutter tool, and all that cool stuff. And I'm going to be using this too, guys, because I do want to keep my face somewhat intact. But like I said, guys, the flocking of the dash is coming in the next video, I promise. It's just that I had to get some brand new R888s for the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Just kidding. I got some fucking Acceler shitty ass fucking tires, but hey, China, they're brand new, which is good. The way I drive daily, this isn't my track car, so whatever, I'm cheap. So let's just get this started. I'm gonna start grinding. I already pulled, it's just, I need to shave like literally like a dime size, quarter size thickness out of it. A couple mils maybe. So we'll get started on it, guys. For those of you guys who are thinking about rolling or pulling or shaving your fenders, whichever you've heard, if you've done some research, my research led me to a couple different things, and that was
pulling and shaving, but shaving first and pulling second, right? I've heard of people rolling. I've heard of people doing all three, doing one of all of them, or just one of each. You know, one of. I actually just did those two because after my research, I was told, I was led to believe that was going to be a better solution. Thing is, like, you're gonna have to take off like this inner lining. It's held together by a bunch of, I don't know if it's Allen wrench or Phillips. Like, it's been so long since I did it, but I'm just gonna go ahead and try to clean up the line that I have here and try to make a straighter line, because I did it in the middle of the night trying to get the fucking car dropped on the wheels and fenders that I had. Right on the wheels that I had. So, and I just got some new tires, and that being said, no, I'm not gonna go that deep. I just know I sure as hell won't hit that line. But what it does show me is that I do have some waves, and it was grabbing in like 2-3 sections, which is right here and right here, where I can see where it pokes, and there's even a little bit of rubber from where I could kind of grind it off on the last tire. So but let's just get to grinding. And guys, honestly, dude, be careful with this shit. Like, these things, I don't even want to talk about it, which I won't. Just be careful with these things. Use all your tools possible. So I'm gonna use some good gloves. Make sure this shit's off too. I always try to hold it in one hand and kind of tap in the power, just in case this anything doesn't run off on you, because some people have been known to leave it on. Maybe even me, or Pro. I don't remember who, but this thing would go running. Alright. So remember I was like, hey guys, be careful. Like, seriously, be careful. I fucking jacked up my finger. I was wearing the wrong gloves too. I should have been wearing the fucking, like, my mechanic gloves, like the fake leather ones, you know? Instead I had these rubber ones. And I turned it, and I kind of just went to feel like this, and I don't know what happened, but it just popped. And instead of just like, think, it kind of like bink and pulled and grabbed. And fucking, I got like a gash, like, where it took off like a good, almost all the layers of skin except for maybe the very bottom one. You can see through it. It's bleeding. It's fucking shitty. But hey, I got it done. So, let's see. It's just funny though, because I'm like, be fucking careful. I never fucking say that shit. Fucking jinx myself. Oh, will these bitches fit is the question. You know? Alright. So, I can't fit my finger in there. Let's see what I can fit in there. Almost. Alright, I swipe it. That's Darth Vader air freshener.
gets stuck right at his hat. So right there is the thickness. It's this has got just a tad bit more room. I need to grind a little bit more on the other side, it looks like, but overall the tires fit. I don't think they look bad. Car looks pretty decent. I think I need to go lower. I want to tuck like half of the tire, at least another ½ inch or so, front and back. Honestly, I want to go a lot lower in the front, but you know, that's just me. Alright guys, that's what's up. A day well spent. Did jack up my finger, nothing too bad. It is not bleeding and it's still there, so we're fucking good, right? So tires are dialed in, Fitment's fucking good. Like, I can't fit my finger in there, but I can fit almost my finger in there. Let me see, can you guys see? I can't see. My old ass ain't trying to bend under, but Fitment's on point for right now. All right. Fog lights look good. So hey guys, you know, at the end of it, productive video. I got some work done to the Lexus. The Lexus is running good. I'm gonna take it for a drive on the next couple videos, guys, because I noticed I haven't been driving the Lexus as much, and man, I fucking miss driving this car. So I did take it for a drive, just, you know, charge up the battery for one, and cause I never drive this damn thing. But just to check the fitment, I did hammer it through some turns up the hill, you know, and just luckily no marks in the tires, no rubbing, and we're good. So I'm excited about the Lexus being dialed in with the new transmission, the new motor, the new differential. The 300 diff makes an impact. That Excel controller from Apexi, which is right there, and it makes a huge impact. The full exhaust, the suspension mods, the brakes that I put in it. It's just, the car is finally getting put together and it just feels good, you know. So I'll definitely take you guys for a spin on the next couple videos. I'm going to take it to a little like Palomar Mountain run, a little SoCal Canyon run with me and the boys pretty soon here too, and look forward to that video. Dave and Fro are going to be rolling out their dailies, which are pretty cool. Fro's got like a TL with fucking every kind of suspension arm you could possibly get, and some form functions or function forms or whatever, and some fucking nice wheels and tires and a nice set of tires. Dave's got a 335, I think, but that thing's slammed, and he's got some shit done, strut tire bars and shit like that too, guys. But we're gonna have some fun up in the mountains. As much as we love our Hondas, we do have dailies that we do have fun in. So we're gonna take those up for a drive pretty soon here on the next couple videos, guys. But that wraps it up for me, guys. I'm done. I'm tired. I still have my finger, and I'm fucking excited. So I'm gonna go home, in that home, shower up. My dog's been whining and whimpering because he wants me to fucking hold him. I guess it's his birthday or some shit. But hey guys, I'm out of here. I appreciate you guys hanging out. I know it isn't the normal Honda videos I'd really like to push, but hey, it's a Lexus video, you know? It's a GS video. How can you hate a GS? It's a V8, you know? So hey, if you guys made it to the end of this video, please throw a comment down below. I really appreciate those, especially from all the other YouTube channels. You guys are fucking awesome. I can name you guys all off, and I appreciate you. Homebrew Subaru, Deadbeat Garage, Ivan Dorsey, and a shit ton of other guys out there, okay? And I'm gonna try to throw out some other comments out there, and every other video I'm gonna try to throw out some YouTubes out there, that channels that I actually watch and I appreciate. So take a look at those guys. They got some good content. If you guys haven't seen them, I'm sure you guys already know them. Chad Savowski, Chris Sabat, you know what I mean. If you guys are Honda guys, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Like, comment, subscribe. That's what's up. I'm out. Deuce.